It's Wednesday, May 1st, 2024, and I am on my way to work again. So this is going to be a compare and contrast video. So I took a video back in February during our biggest snowstorm of the year. And I'm going to travel the same route this morning, so it's going to be interesting to compare these two videos. Shows you what Four Seasons is all about, right? Okay, a little bit more traffic. I can't walk right in the middle of the road like I did during the last video, because but today is a super nice spring day. I think the high is gonna be around 76, 77, maybe 78 today. But it's nice and cool now. It's in the 60s. It will gradually get warmer. Oh, all these vehicles. So, okay, so, whoa, here's the spot. Here's the garage where I'm replicating what I did in the video back in February, and just to give you the rear view from the. Okay, got a vehicle. So I gotta turn around and let's see. Yeah. You hear the birds chirping. We had some rain again last night, which is good. A lot more color in this video. I mean, everything was, last one was a total whiteout during the snowstorm. So this is one of the major streets in downtown, which is 3rd Street, and I can't walk in the middle of this street, that's for sure. Not now. Too much traffic. Like this big truck. I'll get my chance to cross here in a moment. And, all right, let's go. So here's the circle, and this looks quite different than the video back in February. So they a couple of years ago they redesigned this whole center square here to make it more park-like and pedestrian friendly, and I definitely think that they succeeded. it was quite an inconvenience for us because it took about a year to complete. Well, not quite, maybe it was like 8 or 9 months, but it took a long time. I'm just gonna go. All right, definitely more videos to come this spring. Can't wait to get out and about, not only here, but other places in the Lehigh Valley and other cities that I'll be traveling to, especially New York, which is, you know, this is where I go on a regular basis. Not too far, relatively close to here. New York's about 75 miles west of here. Wow. Okay, so I work in this big building here to my right. That's where I'm headed. And okay, so I think I'm going to bring this video to a close here, and check my channel. There'll be more to come for sure in the next few weeks and months. Okay, see ya. Whoa, 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 whoa.